Okay, as promised, we're walking in from the driveway into the house where the steps are at. So, talking about doing steps, and we were talking about a gift for whoever's head of the whole household, whoever takes care of washing the cars, whoever does all that stuff. So, and shut that door real quick. So, just the natural stuff that comes in from the outside. Very important. Area rugs like this to wipe your feet off. There's one over there. Got to keep those clean. They're a defense from tracking dirt in. But here are the steps that we just done. They turned out pretty good. Got them nice and clean. And just that tip on keeping those and this concrete floor here and the driveways, sidewalks and stuff like that clean so it doesn't get tracked in. So a power washer is a great tool to do that with. Yeah, so I've got another rug right here that I'm going to do that goes on top of the steps. So she's doing the right things. It just needs to be done more often. So, and probably a little bit more power washing and stuff like that. So it is a great tool to have at the house. You can use it for everything. Cleaning the decks, patios, cars, trash cans. It's just a useful tool that, in my opinion, everybody should have. So anyway, we do steps, carpets. We polish concrete that's already been polished, but we do not power wash it. But if you give us a call, we'll get you in contact with somebody that can do it, and we'll do a good job. We're not going to send you any fly-by-night people, so give us a call, 513-817-1700, olmecreflections.com, Facebook, YouTube, and all the other stuff that I don't have no business doing that somebody does for me. So anyway, that's a tip in the video showing how steps look. Them are from the garage into the house. So we want to protect all the expensive rugs, expensive floors, and everything inside the house. So give us a call. All right. See you guys.